Henry Bates, politician. Henry Bates of Shasta County, California, was a politician affiliated with the American Party, the Know-Nothings. He served as California State Treasurer, 1856–1857. Prior to that, he was a member of the California State Assembly from the 13th District, 1855–1856. He was impeached by the state Senate and resigned from office. The initial accusation against Bates was that he had illegally deposited $88,000, $2,386,172 in 2016 dollars with Palmer, Cook and Company for the purpose of paying the interest on state bonds in New York City in July 1856, without requiring security for. A report to that effect was presented in the Senate in January 1857. Soon afterward, the Assembly drew up articles of impeachment against him for the Palmer, Cook and Company matter, for purchasing state warrants with state funds and pocketing the difference in value, for other dubious transactions, and for a corrupt combination with the president of the Pacific Express Company. Bates was convicted, but resigned from office before he could be sentenced. The investigation and removal of Bates from office was the result of an article in the Sacramento Bee at the time of publication, still less than 1 week old. References equals